Hello everyone. Our today's topic is practical of virtual LAN. So in our last video we have discussed about access port, trunk port, VLAN range. So in our this video we will practically implement how to create the VLAN. So first of all I need to have one switch, okay, and I need to take PCs here. For example, 4 PCs are there. Okay, I will take one more switch here because we have to implement VLANs on multiple switches. So I will use 2 ports here. Okay, so I'm going to connect PCs with switch. Okay, and switch to switch is connected with cross cable because these are known as same devices. So okay, so this is a LAN. So LAN means devices are connected with same network ID. So I'm just taking 192.168.1.1, 192.168.1.2. I will copy this so that it is easy to implement the configuration. 3, 4, 5, because first we need to check the broadcast domain, so I will ping to broadcast ID. So if everyone will be ping, first of all you can check with this part also. Okay, you will check here successful. Okay, so I am going to ping the broadcast ID first, like ping 192.168.1.255. So you can check 2, 5, 6, 3, 4. Everybody is replying to my PC 1.1. It means if I am sending hello in one classroom, then every students will reply to me. This is called broadcast process. Okay, so what we can do with the help of VLAN? So first of all, on our first switch, I will put the command show VLAN, option, preference, font. So I will change the font number according to my switch, but it is not going to change. It's okay. It is visible. Show VLAN. Okay. So in show VLAN, what you can see by default here is VLAN 1, 1002, 1003, 1004, and 1005. And by default, all the ports of switch F0 by 1, F0 by 2, everybody are the member of VLAN 1 by default. So I want to change the broadcast domain. So what I will do, I want to make these PC in VLAN 2 and these PC in VLAN 3. Again same as VLAN 2, VLAN 3, so I will write it. Okay. I will write it here. This is VLAN number 2. This is VLAN number 3. VLAN number 2. VLAN number 3. So I have to create VLAN here first, and after that assign port specifically. So one thing you need to be in your mind, the ports that are connected to switch PCs, they are known as access port, and the port connected directly from switch to switch, it should be configured with trunk, so that we can transfer our VLAN database from one switch to another switch. Okay, so I'm going to configure on switch. Okay, first of all I will erase this. Config. I will put the command VLAN 2 and I can put any name to this name. For example, HR department, exit, VLAN number 3, name, marketing department, exit, Okay, so if I will check now show VLAN, okay, then you will check there VLAN number 2 and VLAN number 3 is there. Okay, so VLAN number 2 and VLAN number 3 is there. So I have to put the ports in this. So I'm making data VLANs first. So I can put the range command here, interface range FA 0 by 1 to 2, switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 2. This is the command. I will put all the commands on notepad because the screen is short. Interface range FA 0 by 3 to 4, switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 3, do show history. So I'm going to copy these commands and I will show you on this board. So this was the VLAN number 3 and VLAN number 2 name HR exit. This was the command that I have used on my first switch. So same as I have to put command, this is VLAN 2 and this is VLAN number 3. So now we don't need any range. Interface FA 0 by 1, switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 2. Okay, so if I'm not able to make the VLAN, then you can see access VLAN does not exist. It is automatically creating VLAN 2. So if I have not created VLAN yet, then automatically it will create VLAN if I will use this command. Switch port mode access. Now it will create VLAN number 3. Okay, so check in VLAN, show VLAN. 1 and 2 are the part of 2 and 3 VLAN respectively. And if I will check on switch number 1, then you can check 1 and 2 are the member of HR, 3 and 4 are the member of marketing. So the meaning of VLAN is now 1 and 2 will connect with each other. Okay. After that, I will hide it. This one will be pinged with each other, but they are not able to ping, and they are also not able to ping because the broadcast domain of the VLAN of the LAN is break. Now you want to ping VLAN number 2 on first switch to VLAN number 2 on second switch. So if you want to create a link between two switches, then you have to put trunk command in between the switch. So on first switch, the port F0 by 5 is connected with second switch. So I have put command switch port mode trunk. So switch port mode trunk command should be at least on one interface. There is no need to put trunk command on both the interface. You can put that command only to one interface. If trunk is enabled, then VLAN 2 is able to ping with VLAN 2 on another switch. And if now you are going to ping with broadcast ID, then only 2 and 5 will reply to you, because 2 and 5, they are the member of VLAN 2, and if you are going to start VLAN with VLAN number 3, then you can check ping 192.168.1.255, 4 and 6 will reply. So this is the method of VLAN, like you can break the VLANs. So the command used for switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 2 is used for data VLAN. For example, I'm just taking an example. You want to apply voice VLAN here. So I'm just going to change this port into voice VLAN. Okay. Like interface FA0 by 4. The command is same, switch port mode access, switch port voice VLAN, for example 3. Now I have applied F04 with voice VLAN also. Like if you want to transfer voice from this link, then you can transfer. So this is all about the concept of VLAN. Thank you so much.